just to go ahead and, yeah, here I am. Awesome. I just want to jump on here super quick and go through this Monday range, because I just feel like most people don't really understand how good this Monday range is. The Monday range is it gives you the high on Monday and the low on Monday. And then the rest of the week doesn't necessarily play perfectly with it, obviously. Last week, the range it went below the range and never really came back to it until the very end of the week or whatever. But that's the reason why I pair it with the VWAP using the futures. So I'm on the micro E-minis, the NASDAQ micro E-minis right now. And as you can see, the three blue lines that are on the screen right now are that guy, and that guy are the Monday range. This is where the Monday high was taken. This is where the Monday low was taken. And this guy right here is just the midpoint between the high and the low. That's what it is. All right, so, and I just want to point out that, that's how the Monday range works. Okay, so you get this range. All right, so we've got a range that's up here all the way down to here. And then price action since then, as you can see, really plays around pretty strongly in it. And yesterday, we even played around it right in here. So after we made the high and we made the low, we had a median. And that median, even though the Monday, let's say the Monday markets are not closed yet, even though it's not closed, you can still play around that median. So anyways, after Monday, we get this overnight stuff happening right through here. This is overnight. And Tuesday, this is Monday night, and then Tuesday overnight, and then early Tuesday morning, and then basically market open. Midday, we get this big, huge move this afternoon, and that's kind of where we're at right now. So what I really want to point out is the fact that the Monday range, if you look at it, Tuesday comes in and starts out, and we're looking at, let me get to where market open is. So 9:30, that right there is market open. And then we get a drop, and we're just pretty choppy on the 15-minute chart right through here. But with the VWAP, I'm going to zoom in to a lower time frame, and I'm going to show you how you can utilize the VWAP and the Monday range at the same time to create, opportunities. So let's jump into a 3-minute chart. I like the 3-minute chart, trading during the day. So let's go back here. Monday open right there. I mean, the market open is right there. All right, so this candle right here is the market open. Sorry, we got some weed eating happening out the window. Market open is right there. We drop, where does it drop to? The Monday median and also the VWAP. That big blue line that's going all the way across, that's swooping in and going around, that is the VWAP, right? So Monday open right there. We drop into the VWAP and we close right on the Monday range, Monday median range and the VWAP. And then we go sideways for a whole minute, and then we keep, as you can see, look at these candles closing. Where'd my pen stuff go? It's gone now. So, all right. So here, look at. Let me just go through and get the arrows will work. Just look at where these things are closing at. Right? These things are closing right there. They're closing right here. And then it drops down a little bit, comes back, and look what it hits, the VWAP, right? Look at all the wicks at the VWAP and all the closes right there on the Monday median range. And then we break above, we come back, look where it stops. The Monday median and VWAP. Like, these two combined would give you so many good opportunities that you can trade around. And, you don't have to take much when you're extracting from a futures market. If you're not looking for 50 points, you can take 10 points inside of any of these. All right, so the Monday, this is 608 is the VWAP right here, and then this guy right here, let me get off of that. The Monday median is 595. So you're looking at 13 points between right here. You're looking at 13 points between VWAP and right there. So you can play the breakdown straight into the Monday median right there, the breakdown of the VWAP right into the Monday median, and you've got a nice trade. Not only that, then you're going to look at this move right here, right? So we move back into VWAP, as you can see, rejected the median. Right here we start to move back around. We come up, we reject again, and then we bounce right there off of the Monday median and then make this new high. And that was a long that I took today, but I also took a short. I took a short right in here, I think. I thought this was going to break down way lower. I took about 10 points off at like 4 contracts, and then 1 contract got stopped out for like, I think it was $50 or something like that. So, no, not, this was on the micros, so it would have been somewhere right, $8-10 or whatever. But I ended up making a little over $200 on that one short. I'm just saying that if we zoom in, as you can see, this is a choppy market. This is a very choppy market. And when zoomed in, you can I'm trying to open it. There it is. When zoomed in, even though it's a choppy market, when zoomed in on this median and VWAP, you can really take nice trades off of it. So let's go over here and look at the afternoon market. We had a break up right through here, tested the highs, come back down. What does it do? It touches the median almost to exact. It's a little bit below it, but wicks off, closes right at VWAP, breaks above, comes back, retests VWAP almost exactly, and then goes choppy before breaking out. You could have easily built a position right here, or at least got into a position right here and monitored it, put your stop at below VWAP or below the line or something like that, and then as it started to break out, you could have added to your position and took a pretty big win and targeted the top. Now again, we're not going to target the exact line. I always target just before it, but if you had a target at the top up here, I mean, look, it went from the median all the way to the Monday high and then immediately broke down from there. So again, the Monday range will never not be on my charts. The Monday range, even if it's not around it, it will never not be on my chart. 2, I am getting very, very confident in the fact that the VWAP is also on my chart. Now, I'm not huge with volume and averaging and moving averages and stuff as much anymore as I used to be. But if I can see on my chart the Monday range and the VWAP is somewhere around price action, or if I can see where price is, busted through it and there's a chance of it coming back or whatnot, I'm getting more and more confident of playing these 2 indicators every single day. And I just think that it is, Monday range is a free indicator on TradingView. So if you look over here, it's just called the Monday range. Get it, 3 blue lines, and I don't do anything with it. There's nothing changed about it whatsoever. And then obviously the VWAP session, high, low, close, that's all I've got. That's what it's not anchored or anything. It's just the VWAP on each day. So those are the 2 indicators that are on my chart and will never not be on my chart anymore. Every now and then I may take the VWAP off if it's getting a little bit obviously if it's way away from it or something and I don't feel like it's anywhere near there or whatnot, then I may take it off my chart just so it's not a distraction. But I have been trading now for 8 years. I've gone through all the ICT concepts, which I utilize quite often. I trade liquidity. I trade moving. You don't utilize moving averages as much anymore, but they're obviously something that you can use. The VWAP is something that I used to use a long time ago that I'm bringing back into my trading now. But this Monday range, the Monday range, is now my top indicator of all time, and I will never not use it. I suggest you get it. So just because it gives you a great idea of where price could go. All right. So that's just me popping in and saying, use it. It's there.